Today, on the way through Foodie, I accidentally stopped by the small roadside shop where I had a cup of fragrant salt coffee last time, and I will always remember it. And the seller, Nung, a petite but extremely charming girl, made me stop again, not only because of the smell of coffee, but also because of the way she appeared today, so unique. She wore an outfit that looked cool yet discreet, dynamic jeans, a tight black shirt, and 2 light black sun protective sleeves. On her head was a half-head hat worn askew, looking both cool and adorable. Her long black hair was loosely let down behind her, and she added a small crossbody bag. But what impressed people was not only her appearance, but the gentle charm and friendliness that radiated from the way she greeted customers, asked questions, and smiled brightly like the early morning sun. Just while I was standing watching, she had made 2 cups of salt coffee to go, and her hands were lightning fast, without any hesitation. Every action is neat: spooping eyes, pouring coffee, shaking salt, sprinkling cocoa, skimming foam. Each movement seems to have been practiced thousands of times, but still maintains the care for each cup. I ordered an iced glass, took a sip, and felt refreshed. The coffee flavor is moderately strong, not harsh, mixed with a light layer of creamy salt, a harmonious salty and sweet aftertaste. Maybe that's why her shop always has people coming, even though it's just a small table set up on the side of the road. Everything is simple, but brings a very real feeling. No loud advertising, no need for a fancy background, just a cute individual girl who does her job seriously is enough to keep people coming back next time.